switch S1 closes at t equals to 0. The diode right here is rated at a maximum peak current of 5 amps. Okay, interesting. 5 amps, that's the maximum peak current here. Assume that the initial charge on the capacitor is 0. So initially the charge is going to be 0 here. The minimum value of R, the minimum value of this resistor to prevent exceeding the diode maximum peak current, which is 5 amps, is going to be what? So here we are just simply going to apply Ohm's law, right? We know that Ohm's law states that resistance R equals to simply V over I, correct? Where V is basically this magnitude right here, 120 under root 2. So I'm going to write it down as it is, 120 under root 2 divided by I, which is 5 amps, correct? Now let's do the math here. I have my calculator over here. 120 under root 2 divided by 5. Hold on. Here we go. Divided by 5. And that gives me 33.94 ohms. 33.94 ohms. Okay. That's the minimum value of this resistor needs to be in order to prevent 5 amp current, maximum peak current for a diode. To prevent that exceeding 5 amp, we need to have at least 33.94 ohms of resistor here. Okay, so pretty simple.